Welcome back. This session is continuation session of earlier one. In the earlier session, we have a look after sequence types. In this session, we are going to look into set types and map types. Set is an unordered collection of unique objects. It means there is no order for the elements which you are inserting into the set, and unique objects means it doesn't allow duplicates. So there is no indexing and set elements are immutable. These are similar to dictionary keys. In the next section, we are going to look after dictionary. Set can be created in two ways. I have already opened the Eclipse IDE. Now in the Eclipse IDE, I have created a new package called collections, which is under COM-PEPI. Now I have moved list, string and tuple under this. Now I right click on the collections, click on new PyDay module. Here I am going to give name as set, empty, clear the content. Here I would like to give set explore. Now to create a set, you can use two ways. One is using flower braces and another one using set method with the square brackets. So let's see how to create a set. After that, we're going to see some of the set methods, which is add for adding an element, remove, discard, pop and clear to delete elements from the set. First, let us create a set for the colors. Colors equal to, so I'm going to take a flower braces here to create a set. Red, green, blue and yellow. Now I would like to print these values. So print colors. When I execute this, you can see the output as green, red, blue and yellow. Now I would like to see the type of colors. For that, type of colors. When you see the output, the type is class set. So it is a set type. I would like to print the length of elements. Here, length of color set. So you can see the output as 4 elements. Now I would like to create a set in different manner. So for that, fluorescent colors equal to, I'm going to take a help of set method here. Inside that, I'm going to take a square brackets here. I'll give orange, pink and gold. When I print these values, it's going to print the values which we mentioned in the fluorescent colors. So I'm going to give a space here so that there is a space between the output. So here now you see the output as gold, pink, orange. Now I would like to find the type of these fluorescent colors. For that, so when you execute, you see the type is set, which is class set, and now I would like to print the length of elements. So when you execute this, you can see it got 3 elements. So this is how you can create sets. So one using the set method, another one using the flower bracket. Now let's see set methods. So for timing, I'm going to comment the second set which we have created for the illustration purpose. Now I would like to add a color to the colors. Add method, colors dot add white. So when I print the values, you can see the output as green, blue, red, white and yellow. Now I would like to delete the elements. For that I can choose different kind of methods. So colors dot remove, let's say this time I would like to remove red, and I want to print the elements again to see the taken effect. When I execute this, now you can see red got removed from the list, so you can see only 4 elements. Now you can remove an element in it another way using colors dot discard. So discard, this time I would like to take out blue. After this I would like to print the values. So when I execute this, you can see the output as white, yellow, green because I have deleted blue and red. Now I can take help of pop method to delete any one element from the set. So here I'm going to take a help of pop and post pop. When I print the values, so you can see the output as only 2 values, which is yellow and green. This is not constant always. Why? Because it might delete whatever it comes to it. So when I execute this now, you can see this time yellow and white. Sometime back it was green and yellow. So now I would like to clear all the elements from the set. So for that I can use clear method. When I print this, you can see the output as set, empty set. So this is how you can use the methods for the set. Now set is used in computing mathematical operations such as union, difference, intersection and symmetric difference. So for that, let's create 2 sets and see how it is going to work. Let me create another module for that. Say set, I would like to give as set functions. In this I would like to create 2 sets. One is, let's say, engineering departments, where I'm going to have civil, mechanical and computers as the departments. Now if I go for the arts departments, I can give commerce, economics, and computers. So now we got 2 sets. We'd like to explore the methods, which is union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Now first of all I would like to print these. So for that, when I print engineering department, you will see the only engineering department. When I print arts department, you're going to see the arts departments. Here you see the output as, both the departments. Now I would like to have a union for this. So print engineering department dot union of arts departments. So when I call this one, you can see the output as all the departments together of whatever is available in to list. You can see here mechanical, computers, economics, commerce and civil. So the computers is repeated on both, but however it will take only one. So that means we have combined both of the elements in the 2 sets of engineering departments and arts department, and we displayed. Now we would like to see the intersection. So when I go and call engineering departments dot intersection and with the arts departments, now you can see the output only computer. Why? Because computer is the only one which is intersecting between engineering department and arts department. Now I would like to see the difference between two departments. This time what I want to do is engineering department dot difference with arts departments. So this time what is happening is it's going to show the engineering departments which are not part of the arts department. When I execute this, you can see the output as civil and mechanical. So here civil and mechanical are the difference from arts department. Now I would like to reverse this. For that, print arts departments dot difference of engineering departments. So this time you should see the output as commerce and economics. So you see the output as commerce and economics because arts department got commerce and economics, whereas engineering department doesn't. Now I would like to find symmetric difference. For that, print engineering departments dot symmetric difference of arts department. So when you execute this, it's going to give the different departments. So the different departments are civil, mechanical and commerce and economics. So when I execute this, you can see the output as economics, civil, commerce and mechanical, because these are the symmetric difference between two sets. So this is how you can use the mathematical functions. Now set is also used to check subset and superset check. So each subset and each superset is used to check two sets. So now let's say we'll create another set which is using another module called set check. In the set check, what we'd like to use is we can create two sets and check whether it is super and sub. So for that, print set check explore. Here I would like to create electronics equal to laptops, tablets and mobiles. So I'd like to print these values. When you print this, you can see the output as laptops, tablets and mobiles. Now I would like to find the subset. I would like to go and say electronic category equal to, let's say, mobiles. Now I would like to check whether mobiles is subset of electronics. So for that, what I can do is print electronic category dot is subset of, I'm going to give electronics. So when I execute this, you can see the output as so. Here I have created mobile as a string, so you can't check that way. So for that, what you have to do is you have to make this as a set. So I have given on the flower brackets. Now this electronic category is also a set. Now I want to check whether this set is subset of electronics. Now when I execute this, you can see the output as true. Yes, because mobiles set is subset of the electronic set. So this is how you can do the set check. Now I would like to do in the reverse. So print electronics is superset of electronic category. Now I'm just reversed that. Electronics is a superset of electronic category. Yes, this is true. When you execute this, you can see the output as true because electronics is having laptops, tablets and mobiles, whereas it is superset for this. So both conditions are correct. First condition we have used is subset, and the second condition we used is superset, and we have changed the sets. So this is how you can use set. Now mapping types. There is currently only one mapping type. It is called dictionary. It consists of key and the corresponding values. Key should be unique, but values need not to be. Mapping type is unordered key value pairs. So you can pass string, numbers and tuples as keys, whereas values can be of any data type. Here are the dictionary methods. So for example, to create a dictionary, you can take a help of flower brackets, but however, in this case, you have to use a key value pair with the help of semicolon. Here you see I have created employees, which is 1 Shyam, 2 Giri and 3 Chris. Then on the top you can see to append any of the new employee, you can take a index, whereas to retrieve any of the value you have to use the key, as well as you can use the get method. To update any value, you can take a help of index and you can pass the value for it. Pop and clear are used to delete the values from the dictionary. So let's see them practically. So I have opened Eclipse IDE. In this, I'm going to create a new PyDev module called dictionary. Empty and clear the content. Print dictionary explore. So I'm going to create dictionary of employees, EMPS, equal to, I'm using flower braces. Here 1 is Shyam and 2 is Giri, 3 is Chris. So when I print this, you can see the output as key value pairs. So you can see 1 Shyam, 2 Giri and 3 Chris. Now I would like to find the type of employees. For this, type of employees. Here when you execute, you can see dictionary, so which is of a type dictionary, class dictionary. Now I want to find the length of these employees. Length of employees. You can see the output as 3, so it got 3 employees. Now if you want to add any of the element to the dictionary, you have to use its index and you pass a value. So here now I want to add another employee. For this, employees 4 equal to Rupa. Now I would like to print all the employees. So when I execute this, now you can see 4 Rupa got added. Now to read the elements, what you can do is you can take a help of index. So for example, print. Now you can take employees of dot get. I'm going to pass the key. I would like to print employee 2. So when I execute this, you can see the output as Giri, because the second employee is Giri. I pass the key as 2. Now I would like to print it in another way with the help of square brackets. So here I'm going to call the 4th employee. So when I execute this, you can see the output as Rupa, because the 4th element, that means 4th key is Rupa. And now if I would like to update any of the value. Let's say I want to update employee 4 to ROPA, so I can do it using employees of 4 equal to ROPA. Now when I print the values, you can see the output as the updated value, which is ROPA. So earlier it was RUPA, now it is ROPA. This is how you update. Now if I want to delete an element, what I can do is I can do with the help of pop, and this time I should pass the key which one I want to delete. So I can go and delete the third element. Now I would like to print it again. So when I print it again, you can see the output as Shyam, Giri and Rupa. The Chris got deleted. You can see the output of keys 1, 2, 4 and the third key is deleted, which is Chris. Now I would like to delete all the elements. For that I can use emps.clear, and now I would like to print it, print employees. So this time you should see an empty dictionary. So you can see here an empty dictionary, because the moment you call clear, all the elements will get clear. So this is how you do the operations in dictionary. Now dictionary also used to merge two dictionary elements, so with the help of update method, and also you can get the keys and values separately. Let's look after that. Now I would like to merge two dictionaries. Let me go and create a new one. For example, first I would like to comment all of these things so that I can add more elements. I can go here and create a new list. Let's say new employees. So here new employees equal to, I'm going to create 5, which is Lakshmi, and 6, which is Ram, and 7, which is John. So this time I would like to add the new employees to the existing employees. For this, what I can do is employees dot update, and it can take new employees. So when I print the employees this time, you can see the employees got all the employees of new employees also. So this time you see 1 Shyam, 2 Giri, 3 Chris, 5 Lakshmi, 6 Ram, 7 John. So this is how you can merge two dictionaries. Now I can get the keys alone. For that, print employees dot keys. It's going to print only the keys. This time it's only numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'd like to print only values. Employees dot values. When you execute this, it is showing you, it shows only the values. If you observe this, it's giving you set of keys and set of values where you can further operate on them. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.